spraying oil here. It's guided onto the big sprocket, pushing it upwards. The oil is coming into the line. Here's the clutch lid, and here's the engine bearing. The primary spraying oil here onto the sprocket. How does a clutch get oil? We have this small wing here. It sits here. Here sits the primary. And there's a lot of stuff going on here, and everything is turned. That oil is guided onto the big sprocket, onto the primary sprocket, to provide oil here. And if you turn it, the plastic wing guides the oil onto the primary is pushing it upwards to the clutch sprocket. This clutch sits like here. Clutch basket, primary, they are connected here. We have the plastic wing, it sits here. Oil is transferred onto the primary, and the primary pushes it upwards to the clutch, to the sprocket, so that this is oiled, and from this direction the oil is coming into the linings and onto the sprocket. There is no oil on this side.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
Malossi reads. Got something new here. That's the manifold. Pretty straight. That is not bad. Reed valve, you have to remove all this area here.
Bist du deppert?